Okay, so next is will be yesterday last class we have discussed about P2P process. In this I think we have created purchase order. No, wait. ME23N. So what is our plant? EX00, right? So these are two purchase order we have created. Okay, now for this now we have to start doing the MIGO. So copy this purchase order, logistics, materials management, inventory management, goods movement, goods receipt for purchase order. Here MIGO, MIGO, MIGO. Okay, for purchase order you have to enter. So here I want to do goods receipt, so you have to select the option as GR. This return delivery cancellation and all I will discuss in inventory management. For time being now you have to take this goods receipt. So I am doing against purchase order. I am doing against this purchase order, and you have to select your PO here. First I will select this PO number 4517887 and plant it will take automatically. Goods receipt here, GR, there will be movement type. So movement type also we will discuss in the inventory management concept, but for time being for each and every activity whatever you do in terms of goods issue, goods receipt, for each and every goods movement we have a standard movement type in SAP. So using movement type, no, anybody can tell what type of goods movement you have done, whether it is GR, goods receipt or goods issue at plant. We can tell easily. That is the importance of movement types. Now I am doing the GRL, I am accepting the raw material of vendor into my plant. The movement type is goods 101. Goods receipt for purchase order into warehouse. Okay. 101. So we'll discuss in depth in inventory management. Take it as 101. Enter. So now the system will display the PO data. So he will verify the quantity and then whether it is taking correctly or not, where movement type is 101, purchase order, partner and all, he will check. So now everything is finalized. You have to click on item OK here, item OK, and then checkbox. So here there is an error. What is the error? Maintain tolerance limit for tolerance key VP. Okay, so basically it is asking to maintain the tolerance group, tolerance limit for purchase orders. Go to this question mark here or double click on that error message. So the system will show you the procedures. So you can see here, define tolerance limits. Click on that. So system will take you directly. Set tolerance limit, you can see here, execute, and then where is the error I am getting? In the key VP. What do you mean by VP here? Moving average price error. Okay, there is a price difference the system is encountering. Now you have to select this 0005. It is for German company code. It is for German company code. Select VP because I am getting error in VP, and copy as. Change your company code pa. EXID. Do not check. Do not check. You have to enter, and save. Come back. Again checkbox. Okay, but the thing is that I have to come out always. Wait. Again item, okay. Checkbox here. Then post. Now again, what is the error here? For object exceed number range interval 50 does not exist. Now normally this number range means here. So I'll just tell you that concept. So normally in FIL we will maintain one concept called number ranges. We will maintain one concept called number range. So normally number ranges, it is defined by FI consultants. Defined by FI consultants to record all the business transactions, entered by different departments. Okay. So normally in SAP I told you that everything should be recorded, right? So the FI people, they will maintain one configuration called number ranges. In that, for all the department they will maintain number range. For GL, general ledger, AR, accounts receivable, AP, accounts payable, asset accounting, same like MM module. In MM module also they will maintain the number range. But how? See, it is showing error here, number interval 50. So what do you mean by 50 here? So I'll just show you. Normally this configuration will maintain in FI. See here, we'll maintain the number range. So example, materials management. So there is a document type we are going to use for each and every entry. That what is the document type I will tell you in the next concept after P2P. But so now let's come to the MM, materials management. See, in materials management, major activity we will do goods issue 1, goods receipt number 2, and invoice receipt number 3. So for goods issue, the document type is WE, goods receipt WA, and RE is the document type for goods issue WA. RE for invoice receipt. Now for this, the associated table number, we call it as table number, it is recorded default in the FI table. For goods issue 49, goods receipt 50, 51. Okay, so normally we will maintain this number range so that whatever the entries you are going to do, it will have a record number in the backend, it will keep on store in database. Now system is telling for 50 means what? Goods receipt. For 50, the number range interval for year 2025 does not exist. Number range interval does not exist, system is telling you. So we need to maintain this number range. In finance, we need to, I will maintain for all the 3 49, 50, 51, not only for 50, you maintain for all the 3, because in the down the line we have to do entry for all these departments. So to maintain number range, To maintain number range, the T code is FBN1. The T code is FBN1. Okay, so here close this part. Now come to T code FBN1. Enter your company code EXID, XID, click on this pencil option intervals. Okay pa. Now here click on this is the insert button. So 3 lines you have to insert, 1, 2 and 3. So what is that? 49, 20, 25, say for example 1000 to 2500, 50, 20, 25, 1501 to 2000, don't overlap, 51, 20, 25, 2001 to 2500, like this, 2001 to 2500, like this you have to maintain the number range. Because my year is this one, not 2025 I have taken, right? So you have to maintain 2025. Enter and save the data. So it is maintained. Now come back. Next again try Migo here. 17887 is the PO. Item okay. Checkbox. Okay pa. No post. Oh, see, material document 6011 posted. Now it's posted. So integration errors I didn't get, we will get it in the finance. Okay. Now this is how you are going to do. Now do one more document here. Now if you want to see, go to display option. Here display. So this is the material document number. Enter. Now I told you when you do the GR, right? When you do the GR, there will be 2 documents you're going to generate, MM document and FI document, right? So when you go to the GR here, this is basically MM document, wherein you can see the total quantity inverted, everything here. Okay. And if you want to see the FI document, go to document info, click on FI documents. So in FI documents you can able to see only the value, amount valuation. See here 2 lakhs. And if you double click on the purchase order, now you can see one tab will appear, PO history, purchase order history. See WE, document type. WE means what? Goods receipts. Document type, 101 movement type, 200 quantity, 2 lakhs worth of goods I have taken inwards. It will show here. Now come to header data, check the status, order 200, delivered 200, like this it will show. Now do one more GR for another PO is there, goods receipt. Again my another PO is EX00 17888. Again item okay, checkbox, and then post. So it is posted. Now again if you check the stock, to check the stock, so inventory, environment, listed display, stock, MMB stock overview. Just enter that material master number, material master by here, 8101, plant is EX00 and execute. See total for my in my plant 1, for this material 400 quantity is inverted, it is laying in my godown, in my plant. Now Now I need to check again. I told you na consultants also we can track whether that invoice is posted or not. I told you right in the beginning. How to track that whether the invoice is accounted or not? You can go to the T code balance display MB5S list of GRIR balances, goods receipt, invoice receipt. Enter. What is that vendor? So vendor is 358 now. Okay, execute here. Now you can see this is the GR. So invoice they are still not accounted. If they account that invoice, it will go from the GRI list. It will get knock off. It will get close. MB5S. If you want to see the GRI list of balances, the T code is MB5S. You can give. And stock overview to do the stock overview. Here environment stock MMBE stock. MMBE. Okay. So this is about the complete P2P process. Normally if you get error message, let me know. I will advise MB52 warehouse stock. Okay, 400 quantity, 4 lakh total value. So this is how you are going to do the P2P process. Normally normally evaluation class I need to discuss, but we will discuss in integration part only, FI to MM integration after 50%. When we do basically using valuation class now, FI consultants will track how much for material we have spent. Say for example we have created material master, no, where we have created material master in MM material display, or if you go to display here MM03, just enter this, select view, select the accounting part. See, if I can see now this is the valuation class. Total stock available is 404 lakh. So with this valuation class, FI people also can track for each and every material how much you are spending, what is the stock available. But through valuation class, I will tell you that in FI integration, what is valuation class, how the integration we will do in FI. Okay. So this is the completely P2P process, procure to pay, P2P process. So the next concept you have to go, that is again on document type, scheduling agreement and work contracts and all. That I will do it by tomorrow. Today just one